Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. Last class I was discussing numericals asked in medical and engineering competitive examination. Questions are based on chemical thermodynamics. And I was discussing questions based on heat of transition. Now I will continue further. Today also I will continue questions based on heat of reaction. Now I am going to discuss new questions. The heat of combustion of yellow phosphorus and red phosphorus are minus 9.91 kilojoule per mole and minus 8.78 kilojoule per mole respectively. The heat of transition of yellow P to red P is first option minus 18.69 kilojoule, second plus 1.13 kilojoule, third plus 18.69 kilojoule, fourth minus 1.13 kilojoule. Again I am repeating the question. The heat of combustion of yellow phosphorus and red phosphorus are minus 9.91 kilojoule per mole and minus 8.78 kilojoule per mole respectively. The heat of transition of yellow phosphorus to red phosphorus is first option minus 18.69 kilojoule, second plus 1.13 kilojoule, third plus 18.69 kilojoule, fourth minus 1.13 kilojoule. This question was asked in Punjab CET. Just to think, this type of question already I have sent, 2 questions I have solved. This is again same type of question. Okay. Last class I have discussed that heat of combustion of rhombic and monoclinic sulfur. Same way this is there. Just to think, I think you can solve it within 10 seconds. Just to think it. After that I will tell correct answer and its explanation and solution. How will you solve? Just to think. Its correct answer is minus 1.13 kilojoule. Minus 1.13 kilojoule. How? Now I am telling you. Already I have discussed 2 questions like this, and all 2 what I discussed here also is same type like what I have discussed 2 questions. Here again equation 1 minus equation 2. Then minus equation 1 is minus 9.91 kilojoule per mole. That is the yellow phosphorus. Correct? And red phosphorus value is minus 8.78 kilojoule. This is the second. Then 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Both reaction you have to write. Heat of combustion for yellow phosphorus and heat of combustion of red phosphorus. But you want from yellow phosphorus to red phosphorus, and second equation just you reverse it. Then yellow will be left side and red will be right side. Means equation 1 minus equation 2. then my equation 1 is minus 9.91 minus in bracket minus 8.78. Then it will become minus plus 8.78. And first equation is minus 9.91 kilojoule per mole. Hence you will get after deduction minus 1.13 kilojoule. This question was asked in Punjab CET. This type of question always you do equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay. And whatever will remain, that is the answer. Okay. Next question, that is based on, now all question will be based on heat of reaction. Question now I am reading. The standard delta HF for CO2 gas, CO gas and H2O gas are minus 393.5, minus 110.5 and minus 241.8 kilojoule per mole respectively. The standard enthalpy change in kilojoule for the reaction is given CO2 gas plus H2 gas. It is giving CO gas plus H2O gas is first option 524.1, second 41.2, third minus 262.5, fourth minus 41.2. Again I am repeating the question. The change in standard, the standard HF means heat of formation. The delta HF, standard HF for CO2 gas, CO gas and H2O gas are, values are given minus 393.5, second minus 110.5 and third minus 241.8 kilojoule mole, 241.8 kilojoule per mole respectively. The standard enthalpy change, again I am repeating the question, just listen. The delta HF standard for CO2 gas, CO gas and H2O gas are minus 393.5, second value is minus 110.5 and minus 241.8 kilojoule per mole respectively. The standard enthalpy change in kilojoule for the reaction is given CO2 gas plus H2, product is CO plus H2O, CO gas plus H2O gas is, four options are given. First option 524.1, second 41.2, third minus 262.5, fourth minus 41.2. This question was asked in IIT. Okay, just to think, and after that I will tell correct answer and how will you solve I will tell. This question will take hardly 15 second time. Just to think, keep pen and paper with you so that if I will give hint you can note down. Okay, just to think. Its correct answer is 41.2 kilojoule. How? Now I am telling you. Means option B is correct. 41.2 kilojoule. How? Now I am telling you. Just to listen carefully. Okay. You have to calculate standard enthalpy change for the reaction CO2 gas plus H2 gas. Product is CO gas plus H2O gas. Then now how will you solve? How will you solve? Now I am telling you. Delta H reaction. Delta is for the reaction. That is the you have to do product minus reactant. Product minus reactant. Both products are there. Then you keep the value of both products. You add and then you deduct values for reactants. Means delta H standard data is value for CO plus delta H value for H2O. You add it, both products. After that, you deduct it. Reactants, I mean CO2 plus H2. CO2 plus H2. That you deduct it. Product minus reactant. Then after putting the value, means CO value is 110.5 minus 110.5 plus H2O value is minus 241.8. This is for product. Now minus you have to do reactant. Then reactant is CO2 plus H2. Then CO2 value is given minus 393.5 and H2 value is not given. Then this is the standard H2 elemental state like that. Its value is 0. This is the important things. Then after just this, after solving after simplification, you will get 41.2 kilojoule. And correct answer is option B. Option B. This question was asked in IIT. Now, next question I am telling you. H2 gas plus Cl2 gas, it is giving 2HCl as a product. 2HCl gas. And delta H value for this reaction is minus 44 kilocalorie. 2Na solid plus 2HCl gas. Product is given 2NaCl S plus H2 gas, and delta H is equal to minus 152 kilocalorie. Means two reactions are given. First reaction is H2 gas plus Cl2 gas. Product is 2HCl and delta H is equal to minus 44 kilocalorie. Second reaction is 2Na solid plus 2HCl gas. Products are 2NaCl solid plus H2 gas, and delta H value is given equal to minus 152 kilocalorie. Now you have to calculate for the reaction. Reaction is given 2Na solid plus half Cl2. Product is 2NaCl solid. Then what will be delta H value? That you have to calculate. What will be the delta H? For the reaction 2Na solid plus half Cl2 gas. Product is 2NaCl. You have to calculate delta H value for this reaction. First option is given minus 180 kilocalorie. Second, minus 196 kilocalorie. Third, minus 98 kilocalorie. Fourth, 54 kilocalorie. Again I am repeating the option. Minus 180 kilocalorie. Second, minus 196 kilocalorie. Third, minus 98 kilocalorie. Fourth, 54 kilocalorie. This question was asked in KCET, Karnataka CET. This question you can solve it easily within 15 seconds. This is also similar to what I discussed now. Just to think, after that I will tell correct answer and how will you solve. Just to think. its correct answer is minus 98 kilocalorie. Minus 98 kilocalorie. How? Now I am telling you, listen carefully. Here what you have to do, because you have to calculate for 1 mole NaCl. In a reaction is given Na solid plus half Cl2, then it is giving NaCl. Then this equation you have to bring from the given, in the question 2 equations are given. By using that 2 equation you have to get this equation. Then how will you get this equation? Na solid plus half Cl2, then 2 equations are given. Then second equation, that is the 2Na plus 2HCl, product is 2NaCl. But you want 1 Na and half Cl2. It means equation 2 and equation 1 you have to make half. You have to make half, means half of equation 1 plus half of equation 2. Then you will get desired reaction. You will get, make half, because you want to 2 Na is there, you want 1 Na. That's why whole equation you have to divide by half. Then you will get NaCl. You will get 1 Na and 1 Na and half Cl2 will get, and product you will get NaCl. Okay. Then just make it half. Equation 1 make it half, equation 2 also make it half, and if you will add, then you will get desired equation, and H2 will be cancelled, because H2 is the left side, other H2 is in right side, that will be cancelled. Then you will get Na solid plus half Cl2 reactant side, and product side you will get only NaCl. Then after putting the values, given value, first equation minus 44, that will come minus 22, because you have divided by 2, then value will be also divided by 2. And both second equation is minus 152, then that will be also divided by 2. Then just after dividing by half, all equation, both equation, add it. Then after putting the values, you will get desired result, means you will get correct answer minus 98 kilocalorie. You will get minus 98 kilocalorie. Correct answer you will get. Okay, this is easy, because both values, given values are divided by 2, and then simply you have added. Then you got minus 98 kilocalorie. Okay. This question was asked in Karnataka CET. Next question I am telling you. The enthalpies of formation of N2O and NO are 82 and 90 kilojoule per mole respectively. The enthalpy of the reaction is given 2N2O gas plus O2 gas, product side it is 4NO gas, is equal to, 4 options are given. First option 8 kilojoule, second 88 kilojoule, third minus 16 kilojoule, fourth 196 kilojoule. Keep a pen and paper with you. It will be easy for you to solve, or when I will tell solution, that time you can note down. Again I am repeating the question. The enthalpies of formation of N2O and NO are 82 and 90 kilojoule per mole respectively. The enthalpy of the reaction is given 2N2O gas plus O2 gas, it is giving 4NO gas, is equal to, first option 8 kilojoule, second option 88 kilojoule, third option 16 kilojoule, fourth option 196 kilojoule. This question was asked in medical examination, CBSE PMT. Just to think, how will you solve? After that I will tell correct answer and how will you solve it, I will tell you. Just to think, hardly it will take 15 seconds time. Just to think. After that I will tell correct answer and its solution. How will you solve? Its correct answer is 196 kilojoule. 196 kilojoule. How? Now I am telling you, listen carefully. Okay. Delta H, that is actually you have to question reaction is given, you have to calculate delta H for the reaction 2N2O gas plus O2 gas. It is giving 4NO. 4NO. They have to calculate enthalpy of this reaction. Enthalpy of this reaction you have to calculate. Then how will you get it? Then delta H is equal to 4 into delta H of NO minus, actually this you have written, that is for product. Product is 4NO. Then product minus reactant actually you have to do. Product minus reactants. Then product is 4NO. Then 4 into NO. 4 into NO minus 2N2O plus O2. All are HF value you have to put, a standard HF value. Then 4 into delta H of NO minus, in bracket you have to write 2 into delta HF, standard delta HF for N2O plus delta HF value for O2, oxygen. Both reactions you can write in bracket, and after that you put the value, given values. Then here for NO value is 90. Then 4 into 90 minus, in bracket you write 2 into N2O value is given 82. But oxygen value is not given. This is in elemental state. Its value will be 0. This is the important things of to solve this reaction. The first reaction delta H2, first question what I discussed earlier, H2 value was not given. Now here oxygen value is not given, and that we have to consider as a 0. Then you will get 4 into 90 minus, in bracket 2 into 82 plus 0. Then after this 4 into 90 minus 360 minus just to do 2 into 82, then you will get 196 kilojoule. Correct? And correct answer is 196 kilojoule, option D. Next question again I am telling you. This is a little long question, but same concept you can solve it. Okay. Now I am telling the question. Based on the following thermochemical equations, 4 equations are given. 4 equations are given. Then first equation is based on the following thermochemical equations. H2O gas, first reaction I am telling you. H2O gas plus C solid, 2 products are there, CO gas plus H2 gas. Delta H value is given 131 kilojoule. Second reaction, CO gas plus half O2 gas. Product is CO2 gas, only one product. Delta H value is minus 282 kilojoule. Third reaction, H2 gas plus half O2 gas. Product is only one product, H2O gas. Delta H is equal to minus 242 kilojoule. And fourth reaction is C solid plus O2 gas. Product is CO2 gas. A delta H value is equal to X kilojoule. Then what is the value of X? Means delta H value you have to calculate for the fourth reaction, C plus O2, CO2. What is its value? Delta H value you have to calculate. It is given delta H is equal to X. Then what is the value of X? First option is given minus 393 kilojoule. Second, minus 655 kilojoule. Second, plus 393 kilojoule. Fourth, 655 kilojoule. 655 kilojoule. Again I am repeating the option. First option is minus 393 kilojoule. Second, minus 655 kilojoule. Third, plus 393 kilojoule. Fourth, plus 655 kilojoule. This question was asked in CBSE PMT medical exam, and this question you can solve within 20 seconds. 20 seconds, that is sufficient. Just to think. After that I will tell correct answer and how will you solve it. Solution I will tell you. Just to think. Its correct answer is minus 393 kilojoule. Minus 393 kilojoule. First option. How? Then I am telling you one technique. Easily you can get this value. Actually you know C plus O2, CO2, its value is a fixed value. Fixed value. Because delta H for this reaction is this experimental value 393 kilojoule. If you solve many questions, then from the data automatically you will understand that its value is minus 393 kilojoule. Means heat is evolved in this reaction C plus O2 CO2. The delta H value will be minus 393. But you can solve it also by using given equation. 3 more equations are given. By using that you can calculate it. Only thing is that with the help of given 3 equations you have to get the reaction C plus O2 CO2. You have to arrange a given reaction in such a way that you should get finally C plus O2 and product CO2. For that you only have to arrange the reaction. Okay, how will you arrange? Now I am telling you. Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3. Then you do all the things and put the value. Means 131. Equation 1 value is 131. Equation 2 value is minus 282. Both you have to add. Then it will become 131 minus 282. Third equation you have to add. But its value is 242. Minus 242 is given. Then after solution you will get minus 393 kilojoule. Correct? Because after doing all the things, all terms will cancel. Only C plus O2 reactant side will remain and product side CO2 will remain. Very easy. Just to add equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3. Then see the 3 reactions. If you add, then obviously you find H2O will be cancelled. H2 will be cancelled. Then what will remain? Then half O2 plus half O2 means 1 O2. Half O2 means 1 O2. And carbon will remain left side and right side only CO2 will remain. Hence correct answer is minus 393 kilojoule. Correct? This question was asked in medical examination, CBSE PMT. One more question I want to discuss today. I am reading the question. The enthalpy of formation of ammonia is minus 46.0 kilojoule per mole. The enthalpy for the reaction 2N2 gas plus CH2 gas, it is giving 4NH3 gas is equal to, first option minus 46.0 kilojoule, second 46.0 kilojoule, third 184.0 kilojoule, fourth minus 184.0 kilojoule. Again I am repeating the question. The enthalpy of formation of ammonia is minus 46.0 kilojoule per mole. The enthalpy for the reaction 2N2 plus CH2 gas, both are gas, product is 4NH3 gas, is equal to, first option minus 46.0 kilojoule, second 46.0 kilojoule, third 184.0 kilojoule, minus, fourth option is minus 184.0 kilojoule. Again option I am telling you, minus 40, first option minus 46.0 kilojoule, second 46.0 kilojoule, third 184.0 kilojoule, fourth minus 184.0 kilojoule. This question was asked in Punjab competitive examination. Okay, just to think, this question will take hardly 10 seconds time to solve it. Just to think at least. After that I will tell correct answer and how will you solve, that I will tell you. Just to think. Its correct answer is minus 184.0 kilojoule. Minus 184.0 kilojoule. How? Now I am telling you, listen carefully. So in the question, the enthalpy of formation of ammonia is given, that is the minus 46.0 kilojoule. That is the enthalpy of formation. Then you have to calculate enthalpy of the reaction 2N2 gas plus C6H2, product is 4NH3. That you have to calculate. Then its value is minus 180.0 minus 184.0 kilojoule. How? Now I am telling you. Listen carefully. Actually this is very easy to solve. Delta H reaction, again same way. Product minus reactant. Just 1 minute, someone has come. Sorry for interruption. Then I was telling you that this you have to calculate enthalpy of reaction. Then again here to do product minus reactant. Then product is 4NH3. Then 4 into NH3. That value is given. NH3 value is given. And reactant, two reactants are there, nitrogen and hydrogen. You will get NH3 only from nitrogen and hydrogen. It is given 2N2 plus 6H2. Then product 4 into NH3 minus reactants. In bracket you write both value 2N2 plus 6H2. Then for 2N2 and H2, here you see that for N2 and H2 no value is given, but both are in elemental state. Then its value will be 0, 0. Means 2N2 means 2 into 0. In bracket, outside minus is there. In bracket, 2n2 means 2 into 0 plus 6h2. Then 6 into 0. Hence, what you will get? 4 into ammonia value minus 46 and minus 0 means 4 into minus 46. That you will get what you will get, just to multiply 4 into minus 46, you will get minus 184. Minus 184 you will get. That is the correct answer. Correct answer is what? Correct answer is minus 184.0 kilojoule. Fourth option D is correct. Okay. Today I am stopping only here. Next class again I will discuss. Many questions are there. All are asked. Almost all are asked in competitive examination. Okay.